Okay, another review. This is the PYGTECH Tripod and Selfie Stick. And I'm going to try and film this because normally I film with the selfie stick, but I'm kind of having to hold my camera now. So as you can see, it's really small. Like this is how big it is. It's super lightweight, very nice and easy to hold. And the reason I love this is because I have an action camera, and as you can see, I can screw in a thread mount camera, so like a phone adapter or a DSLR or something, or I can just undo this kind of quick release thing, and I'll show you how this works in a sec, and then directly attach my action camera to there. So basically, I'll show you this now. This is just like a little adapter if I want to mount something else. So you basically put the thing in, line up, you know, just like you would with an action camera, line up the holes, and then this is like a quick release, which means you don't have to spend ages kind of like threading it in like that. So what you do, let me just try and remember this, which way it goes round. Yeah, so you basically just put it in like that, turn it up, flick it down, and that's locked. This is like the first strength of locking. You can kind of still move it, but not really. Or if you really want to lock it down, you clamp it down one more time, and now it's like solid. And then to undo it, all you do is just flick it up, turn it around, pull it out. Anyway, so that's that. Now the actual tripod, these legs, the tripod legs, are kind of like magnetically held together. So you can just undo them like that. Very easy. That's the tripod. And then the selfie stick, let me just show you that, extends 40 centimeters. So you can just about see in the frame there. I mean, yeah, that is how far the selfie stick extends. So to give you an idea of what that looks like in real life, what you would do, it's like that. More than enough. Maybe there you can see better, right? It's like a small baton, or a small baseball bat size. And you would basically just vlog, or you know, use it like that. And then the tripod goes like this. I'll show you how the tripod looks. The only thing I would say is that if you're using something bigger than an action camera or a phone, or a small compact digital camera, the stability is, you know, I mean, it's pretty stable. Like for most purposes, for an action camera, this is perfect. For a phone, compact camera, perfect. For a DSLR, no, do not use this. This is not good enough. It's just too small. It's too small and not stable enough for a DSLR. But most people, I assume, use something like an action camera or phone or compact camera. And for that, it's perfect. Like there's no problem. It's very stable and you can adjust the height. Lovely. I mean, I can't ask for a better tripod, and it's perfect for vlogging. I've noticed that because I've done a lot of vlogging in my life, and I've noticed that this is literally the optimum length for a selfie stick to be. So when it's extended to its full length, this is the perfect distance that you want the camera away from you to vlog. So they've made it like exactly what it needs to be and no more. And as a benefit of that, it's super lightweight, super small, easy to carry, very easy to, you know, put in your bag or something. And it's just perfect. It's really nicely balanced. I don't know what else you want to see in a tripod review, but it's not even about the price. I mean, it's a very good price. It's very cheap. But even if this was significantly more expensive, double the price, I would still have bought this one because this is exactly what I need. I need it to be small, to have a tripod in the bottom, and to have two attachments at the top, one for action camera, one for thread mount. And then also the quick release system. I really like that because I don't know about you, but I really don't like kind of spending ages twisting that little GoPro screw in and out. I just like to very quickly change my setup. And yeah, it's pretty strong because it's so small. I mean, I'll try and do a bend test on this. I'll show you now. I'm pressing quite hard and it's not bending. I mean, this is like a strong thing. This is like almost like a baton. Yeah, it's not flimsy. This is actually really strong. And I think the reason for that is because these sections, each section is so small, it never really has any chance to bend. if you know what I mean. Like the longer the section, the more it can bend because there's more flexibility. It doesn't really have any of that, so it's just like a solid stick. Anyway, you can get this with the link in the description. Yeah, it's really cool. It reminds me a little bit of a lightsaber. It just looks like this kind of sleek, you just hold it, lightsaber. I don't know if that's because I just watched all the Star Wars movies, but yeah. Get it in the description. Highly recommended. This is, by the way, now the only tripod and selfie stick I use. I have the DJI Osmo Action 3, the big one, but this is much better. So yeah, I got rid of all my other ones. This is the only one. Especially if you're a digital nomad or you travel or you are a minimalist. Anyway, so that's the logo there. Let me just show you that. PYGTECH. PGY-TECH. They actually give you 2 of these quick release attachments when it, in the box when it comes, as well as this little thing. So yeah, really good. Link is in the description.